guys, it's Bullboy23 back another banger of a video, and in today's video we are going to be putting my new engine that I was talking about into my Nissan Micra k11 named Difty. But first we have to get the engine thing from Keith, the little engine crane. We have to get that from Keith. I'll be heading out later.
Meanwhile, up at Keith's yard.
If you didn't know, which I haven't even told you guys, Keith crashed his front end straight into that orange AX, one of his son's cars, Ross's car. Yeah, he got into a head-on collision with that, so they're trying to pull it out in this clip. So yeah, that's what they're doing. Hey, I'm here now. Don't worry, I didn't drive myself here. Yeah, we're here to get Keith's, engine crane thing, so we can swap out my engine by ourselves at home. Anyway, let's go. I don't know what's been going on. I haven't been here. I've been at home. Oh yeah, I forgot they're up there. By the clips I got sent, they're up there. Yeah, that's how I knew. It is definitely a lot straighter from the last clip I recorded of it. Definitely. This is Scott's car. He used to have a 106, but now he has an AX because they weren't allowed to run them, and I forgot the reason why. Scott has the blue, Keith has the red, and Ross has the orange. Ross and Scott are brothers, and Keith is their dad. I don't know why I have to explain this. Where's the engine? Car's still down in the lower yard, but I got a new sponsor, Demon Tweaks. It's pretty cool. I got some stickers and I put it on the car. Look at how much cooler that looks with just that sticker. It makes him look so cool. To me, he looks cool. Look at all the paint coming off though. We're gonna have to repaint that. I'm going to go move him up into the top yard. So yeah, Transition! Let's go! And here, I reversed too far. Yeah, I reversed into that. Bumper's okay, just a tiny scrape. Everything was going so well and then I forgot to stop. Micra? Another Micra. It's weird, we have black and blue and then we have white and green. Like, two opposite colors. Oh, were you wondering where the bonnet was? Oh yeah, it's over here. My car looks like a tool tray. This is all the stuff from the front end that we've taken off. I haven't even done anything, so it's all done. It looks empty. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this is the engine that we're putting in the car. I have a feeling it's going to be a lot better in that one. You can see all the damage I've done to this thing. I swear to god, if this engine isn't good, I'm going to freak out. But what we've been told it is. I mean by it's good, I'm not saying it's bad. There's actually dirt in this bit. That's in there. I used to think getting my car dirty was cool because once you wash it off, it looks so satisfying and cool. I never want to do that again. Time to get the old engine out. There's that thing. I'm calling it that because I want it to be a boy and my sister wants it to be a girl. So I'm just assuming it identifies as nothing. It's not a person, so I have to call it a thing. Look at the way the door folded. Jesus. And the engine is out. Friggin' heck, that's weird. Guys, my car is fully electric. It has no engine. Yeah, frig. It started raining. It has started raining while doing an engine swap. That is great. After about 20 minutes, the rain finally stopped, and we were able to get back to swapping the engine. Getting the new engine tied to that. Put it in here, put all the stuff back together, and there you go, car done. Putting this engine in. Yeah. Tilt. Don't worry, my dad's fine. He's just bolting stuff up. I'm in my room right now. RX-7 noise. Burp, 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 burp. I hate the smell, but it sounds great. Smell will go away. Like. That's sick. I love that. Now all we gotta do is put them back together. That is done. This car shall live on forever. Hopefully.